Hello everyone and welcome back again to our Prep Business video tutorials. Today I'm going to explain the location management feature. That is an additional feature on the top of the regular subscription. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, let me go ahead and explain real quick what is the location feature. So the location feature works to tell the system where are you going to locate and store specific items and how do you want to store those items. So the location feature it's pretty helpful for you to first tell the system where do you put them within your warehouse, and when you are going to send it out, how do you can locate them back. And it's pretty simple. So you can scan the location code with your scanner and easily find any of your items, pallets, or shelf. So let me show you how it works. Alright, so the trigger to start locating items and assign different locations starts from the inbound shipment. So because you are receiving the different items at your warehouse, you want to tell the system where these items will be located. So for example, this is an inbound shipment. The status is shipped, and the next status is to receive them all. So in the same way that you are receiving them, when you click receive all, you can see that now this column start like with an unspecified. So this is the locations where you are going to specify where do you going to put your item. So here we have some existing locations, but here is where you're going to be able to put what will be the location code, depending how do you manage things at your warehouse. So by default, you can put the position, the level, and then you will be able to save what type of storage is this. If it's a pallet, a small bin, medium, or a large bin. If you select a pallet, then you can save this location. And once you come back, you will be able to see that now the item just got stored in this location. Now let's go for the next one. You can add a new location. But again, this is pre-existing locations, right? So you can, if you select this pre-existing location, that means that because you previously locate the same item on a similar location or exactly the same location, so the system it's telling you, do you want to locate in the same place or in a new one, or adding a new location. So this is what we are doing, adding an existing location every time we have these ones, okay? So now we have a different location here. Now you're supposed to do this just for the very first time when you are receiving these items, and the next time that you receive this item, you will have a list of all the locations that you previously used. Now, if you open the item, that will take you to the items page, and if you go here to the locations, you will be able to see previous history. You also will be able to move groups of pallets if you are storing this in a pallet, or you can also move units between your the storage between your pallets as well. Now, and if you come here to the warehouse tab and click here locations, you will have an entire list of all the locations at your warehouse. You can print, remember you can scan this code with your scanner, or you can either print all the locations in labels. You can put a label for a pallet or a shelf, and in that way you can scan this code and that will show you where this box or where this pallet is located specifically. Now if you go and if you open any of these pallets, it will show you what's the current quantity showed here and what's the history of it. If you have like an outbound, it will show you -5 or -10 depending how many units you sent out. Now from the billing side, when you come here to services tab, you will be able to create a stored fee . You will be able to create a storage fee, and here you will be able to have this one, location storage fee per pallet. So as long as you set up in a location and store these items in a pallet, then you can set up this type of a storage fee. Then if you set up a shelf, or like the previous type of a storage we had, so that's how the system can automate and easily bill your clients for a storage fee. And then you create it, and that will be under this side. Okay, I hope you find this location management feature helpful for you. Let me know if you have any other questions so I can help you. Send a question to support@prepbusiness.com. Thank you.